Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard sauce for chicken. Gather honey, mustard, mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Whisk ingredients until smooth, taste, and adjust sweetness or acidity, and thin with water if needed. Use immediately or chill to meld flavors, then serve alongside tenders, wings, or a salad. It keeps well refrigerated for several days and is incredibly versatile. In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard sauce for chicken. Measure honey, Dijon, and mayo into a bowl, then add lemon juice, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Whisk vigorously until glossy and emulsified, scraping the sides as needed. Taste and tweak sweetness or acidity by adding more honey or lemon. If sauce is too thick, whisk in a teaspoon of water at a time until desired consistency is reached. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep simple with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and prevent spills, perfect for packing chicken and dips. They save fridge space and make portioning effortless, so cleanup is easier and lunches travel well. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard sauce for chicken. Gently warm honey if it's crystallized so it mixes easily, and whisk continuously to form a smooth emulsion. For thinner sauce, add water a little at a time, or for silkier texture, stir in a teaspoon of olive oil. Always taste and balance the sauce with more lemon or honey until it matches your preference for sweetness and tang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.